Hey yo, what's up everybody? It's Ron Awesome here, and welcome back to another Minecraft video. And it's where today this is Ronits Quest 24, and I'm not going to be using the webcam anymore because there'd be some issues with it because my computer kept on glitching, but I see the screen better. And then I had to trash that video. And then so I'm doing a new whatever. And here. And there's a skeleton on top of my house. I'm going to go and get it. Oh, no. Alright. He kicked me to death. Well, that was a little bit rude, skeleton. You gotta learn some of your manners from your parents. If you have any mom or dad, you better learn from your parents. Alright, so guys, I was just saying it to the skeleton. What happens if the skeleton had parents? Ooh, I'm going to tell them. But they're not going to care. Well, alright, and now, oh yeah, there's a spider still at dawn. Even a creeper. During the morning time. Alright, keep dying. Like, I can't believe. And now, let's just keep on going. And then, let's go get the cow and then eat him for dinner. Or no, breakfast, because it's morning. Where do you come from? Alright, and then there's a pig, let's kill it. Hey, creeper. Well, that doesn't kill him. Hey, piggy. Oh yeah, more breakfast. What are you doing, baby chicken? You cannot come in. Alright, and then I'm going to just cook this. Just going to cook the raw mutton. Okay. I know, okay. And then let's go outside and look for more, and then that's totally, like, you know. Like, I think I may have some seeds to feed the chicken. Let's see if he eats this. Nope. Oh, I found a big one. Dead. Alright. Fish. Where's the crafting table? Whoa. I forgot to make myself a crafting table. Alright, and then let me craft this, and then I can change my bed color to yellow because I don't like it white. And then I may need this so I can grow some plants. Alright, let's take them all. Alright, we got all 18 of them. And then I get to replace my bed to yellow. Alright, and then alright, that's cooked good. Now what do you want? Okay, let's cook this. Any plants I can grow? Well, I need that. I need that. I would need that That's sugar cane. What? It's on the water? No. Alright, never mind. Forget that one. Yeah, nice dinner. You don't care. You did not see me. Alright, let's see. Good. Oh yeah. Shoot that over there. Alright. I got my food here. Oh no, my mutton. Alright, time to go. Okay, chicken is cooked. Let's cook some beef. Alright, and then we're just waiting and waiting for this beef to cook. Or there might be more dinner out there. Alright. All until it gets to a 5. Alright, where are the other animals? Oh yeah, the piggy. Hello, baby piggy and your mom. Oh, sorry, I had to kill your mom. Good. Alright. I'm so sorry, baby piggy. I'm so sorry I killed your mom. Angry? Don't get angry. Okay. If you're angry with me, I finish you. Oh yeah, you better run. Alright. Now let's see what we got. Oh yeah, we got the beef. Yay. Stands 9 pork chops. You get out of the island. Get out of the island, you stupid baby piggy. Alright. Alright, let's swim to there. I'm stuck on the only 2 islands. Dude, I'm stuck on the only 2 islands. What the heck? Well, my house is right there. Alright, and then what do we do? Okay, so what we got in the chest, we got those stuff. We got a bow. Come on, pork chop, let's go. I already got some coal in here. We can put it back, we can put it in this furnace. Well, I'll just hold that. I'll exchange it when it's ready. Alright, okay. One more, you're gonna be done. Alright. One more workshop. Yes. Finally. Time for some these and these. Yes, finally. Okay. Put that in there. Put that in. Put that in. And put that in. What else? That's it. Alright, good. Let's see if we can. Oh yeah, we may need. Let me see about this. A fireworks star. What does this even do? Fireworks star, small ball, light. What do you do with this? Hello, does anybody know what to do with this thing? Oh, you do. Sorry, Piggy. I'm finishing you. You're dead, pork. My pork. Swim, swim, dive. Nope, nothing there. Yep, got my pork. Alright, now let's get out of the water. Where are you? Where do you think you're going? Oh, you're running around in circles. You gotta know that. Alright, and then now... My head really hurts. Okay. Chicken. Good, it didn't see me. A horse! A horse! Ugh. It's a big animal we can never beat. Nope, not yours. Good. Look when I kill the baby horse. Alright, so guys, I'm just going to end this video here. So guys, please give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on notifications, and also leave a comment down below. Bye!